morning, welcome to another sales video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, Birmingham. Today we are looking at this Mitsubishi. It's an Outlander. It's a 2-litre MIVEC design, automatic, Ulez 6, so Ulez compliant, sorry, Euro 6 Ulez compliant, start stop. It's a 2019 on a 69, so the latter half of 2019 registered. It's 2 owners from new. It's covered 32,000 miles from new. It has a full service history, serviced at 12,000, 24,000 and 32,000 miles. Finished in grey, 4-wheel drive, 7-seat, petrol 2-litre MIVEC design. It's got the automatic CVT gearbox. It's just had new rear brake discs and rear brake pads. Just had 2 new Outlander Yokohama tyres, which were original fitment on the back. As you can see, it's got privacy glass, keyless entry, keyless start, keyless locking, matching Outlanders on the front, Yokohamas with plenty of tread on. So all the tyres are good, new rear brakes, recently had an oil change and an engine service. Heated seats. I'll turn the radio down. Heated seats. Buttons are down there. Hill holds, electronic handbrake. Cruise control. And all your radio and Bluetooth for your phone buttons are on there. On the steering wheel. This car has a reverse camera. You turn the passenger's front airbag off if you want to fit a child seat. USB point in the back. I'll show you the 6th and 7th seat, the 3rd row seating. There's the seats in the back, and comes complete with the parcel shelf. Really nice, clean car, this, well looked after. Priced at £19,495. Another new tyre, new rear brakes, that's discs and pads. Keyless entry, keyless locking, as I say, electric windows, electric folding mirrors, multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, 32,246 miles from new. Show you the reverse camera. There you go, big clear reverse camera. So just to recap, 2019 on a 69 reg Mitsubishi Outlander 2-litre petrol MIVEC, 32,000 miles, full service history, 2 owners, 2 keys. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to look at our other stock we have available at the moment, or visit our social media channels, Barclay Motor Company on Facebook or Instagram, or go to YouTube where all of our videos end up. Find Barclay Motor Company's channel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and then you'll get a notification each time we upload new stock. Thank you very much for watching today. Goodbye.